What's going on, my fellow nitro burners? Today I'm going to be running my Kyosho USA-1 Nitro V2. Right here, this is my baby, guys. This truck, I take excellent care of. It's one of my favorites, hands down, not even kidding. This truck runs amazing. It is a completely different experience because of that straight axle right there. You guys see it? And the engine is like a super good engine, guys. I barely have to tune it. It holds the tune so well, and it runs really good, and it's got plenty of torque and top end. This was a very well made and thought of truck, guys. If you guys have a chance to get one, get one. Don't let it slide by. Make sure you guys get it. All right, guys, let's get to burning some nitro. All right, guys, let's burn some nitro. Woo! Second gear. This thing is a beast. Oh man, that one wheel coming off the ground, such an experience. Woo! Second gear. I mean, I know there's a lot of guys that can tune. I don't know if they can tune this good. This thing is screaming. Let's do the idle test. This truck will stay on for days. It does not shut off. Listen to that beast. Big block power, Kyosho in the house. Yeah, this thing is a beast, guys. Just them rolling second gear wheelies. I love them. And of course, I'm driving with one hand, recording with the other, so I can't go too crazy. We're gonna burn only one tank, guys. So once I'm done with this tank, that's it. I just got out of work, need to go home, I'm hungry. But I need to burn some nitro first, because I have to work on the other Kyoshos. I have to work on the Ferrari F430 and the Aston Martin. Look at this thing. It is pretty hot outside too, guys. Seems to be. Let's go to the dirt, guys. Let's blow some dirt. No, come to this side, the dirt over here. Let's blow some dirt, guys. Let's see. Gotta be careful with the cars. Woo! Too much torque, guys. Oh yeah. Woo! I love it, guys. These tires are really good. Even though it's like gravel, it really grips though. Look at that thing. It just grips and goes. Oh, one-handed, guys. Gotta be careful. Actually, I have to take it easy on the throttle. This thing has, like, it's very touchy. Let's go. Look at that, guys. He's doing wheelies on third gear. Look at that. Oh my God. That's what you call torque, guys. Oh, I gotta get out of here, guys. I don't want to break it. Let me see if I could just get it out of here. I don't think we'll go through there. Hold on. And I'm gonna go straight to the car wash so I could use the air, the compressed air. Look at this. This thing just lifts, guys. Super aggressive. All factory. Factory KE25 engine, SP2. Let's blow some gravel. Oh, man. Let's go, guys. Let's go. One-handed. Let's go, guys. Listen to that thing. If you guys like that 3-speed gear shift, hit a like on the video. Let's go. This truck is amazing. Solid axle, guys. What a difference. Kyosho did an awesome job, guys. Excuse me. Three-speed in the house, guys. Nothing beats wheelies, guys. Easy wheelies. Guys, that's one-handed, guys. I'm doing all this one-handed. Recording, driving. That's one tank. This car is very fuel efficient, to be honest, for a big block. Woo! Look at that. This thing is so aggressive, guys. Damn, second gear wheelies, third gear wheelies. Three-speed transmission, man, cannot be beat. That engine is nice and hot, guys. Let's hear it. Now that's how you tune a nitro engine. Un maquinón, una bestia, ¿oíste? Si tienes el chance de comprarte uno, cómpralo, ni lo pienses. Un maquinón. All factory, guys. That is an awesome engine. It holds the tune very, very good. Let's go. Let me know in the comments, guys, what do you like best? Popping wheelies and rolling wheelies on second gear or full throttle passes? Me personally, I like both, but I think I like wheelies better. Nothing beats that. Wheelies on demand. Dang. Gotta say it, guys. That's why I like this truck so much. I think I need a longer wheelie bar. Well, it's time to get going, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you get anything from this video, hit that like button, that share button, drop a comment, subscribe, follow, all of them goodies. Also, we got the super chats going, the super thanks, the gift. All that helps the channel, guys. I really like this truck, guys. There we go. My guys, I had an absolute blast. This thing is a beast. I cannot recommend it enough. If you guys like nitro RCs, you guys like wheelies, torque, 3-speed transmissions, sound, smell, yo, this thing looks great and it runs better than it looks. So, and that's saying something, because this thing does looks amazing. When it does, what I like the best is when it does them rolling wheelies on second gear. When I had it on the grass, it was doing wheelies on third gear, guys. I love my Savages, and I don't think I have one that does wheelies on second gear. Of course, the 3-speed transmission on this is a lot shorter than the Savage, because the Savage do a lot more top speed. But we're not talking about speed right now. And this thing puts in work, guys. I had an absolute blast. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. If you like the video, you like the truck. Also, let me mention first, if I forget, what about that tune? I think I put an amazing tune on this thing, because this thing was, one, it was ripping. You could see the smoke trail, and also an idle. Do you guys heard the idle on this thing? Just crisp idle, just beautiful. All right, almost time to get out of here. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, guys. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe, all the goodies. We got the super thanks on the bottom, super thanks, gifts, all that helps the channel, guys, to keep bringing some awesome nitro content. Look at this thing. Burn some nitro, guys.